Hey guys, today we're at Castaic Lake, and today we're going to be making slime. There's a little green part in here that we're going to be making slime. And we're going to go there right now. And we brought a dog. Yes, Sophia! So stay tuned and subscribe. And since we're gonna make slime, we need all the ingredients. First, we need glue, and we need shaving cream. We need food coloring and contact solution. We need a bowl and a spoon. So now let's get started. If you guys want to know where we got all of our stuff, we got it all at Walmart. And contact solution is not the only way to activate your slime. You can also use detergent and borax. I made a lot. And how much slime? It depends how much slime you want. If you want a little bit, put a little bit of glue. I put this much glue to make that much slime. But it's gonna be more because you're gonna add more stuff. No, I'm gonna get I'm gonna get orange, so I have red and yellow. And I wanted light blue. So our food coloring, for sky blue, I'm gonna put 1 drop, and it depends how much glue you put in. And for my orange, I put 3 drops of red and 2 drops of yellow. And now I'm gonna mix it. We might add more because if we don't get the color we want. Oh no, I'm getting the color I wanted. Look at the color. Look at the color. It's a light orange. I want another one. I think this is too light, so I'm gonna put 1 more. Wait, this is a little too light. I'm gonna put 1 drop. This is my color. So I'm putting 1 more drop of yellow. I'm putting 1 more drop of yellow to make it a little bit more orange. So 3 drops of red and 3 drops of yellow I put in. If you want it to be this color, you have to add another drop because the shaving cream will make it lighter. So yeah, so it by itself mine is 3 drops of yellow and 3 drops of red, but I'm gonna add a couple more drops of each so the shaving cream doesn't change the color. It's gonna be the same color. And we're making fluffy slime. Yeah. It's dark orange. We're doing shaving cream already. Oh. And if it's too light, you just need to add more color. This is gonna be so hard to mix in this little bowl. Look at mine. Ah, got all over me. Blooper. I need a napkin. We have no napkins. Fine, I'll just go like this. Go to the ocean. Go to the lake. This is a trick. And again, more blue. It's too light. Can you see it? My orange is a mess. Gosh. Okay, yeah, this is way too light.
Wait, it's coming out orange.
I think I added too much.
No, that's still baby.
Cream.
Yeah, me too.
Really, mine has more, and I even put more glue than you.
I put 4 drops.
I still need more blue.
How do you make it get gooey?
You need to
Put contact solution with works better with shaving cream in it. It works like a team.
Mm.
Is this a good color? Comment down below if you think this is a good color.
Ooh, I like my orange.
should
It's
I-
like a light
Or should I go darker?
Should I go darker? Or this is nice? This is very nice.
Okay, so now we're gonna activate it.
This is brand new. How about it?
Carlos, you always make a mess.
Sorry. What? I put a little bit too much shaving
This
cream.
is my house.
So how much activator do you put?
You have to put slowly until you get the right consistency that you want.
Mm.
Ooh, mine is already getting together. Ooh, it's already getting off the bowl. Okay, it's almost done. It's a little sticky.
How is his like that? Mine hasn't gone like that.
Like that.
I guess it's trial and error. Huh?
Oh, can I have more shaving cream? I meant contacts.
Oh, look. Just stick it.
We didn't want to put glitter, but if you want, you can put glitter.
It's optional.
Yeah. Doesn't like the glitter doesn't like change how it comes out. It just changes like the look. Yeah.
The slime. The slime.
So when your slime is done, it's gonna be kind of sticky. So what you need to do is you need to play around with it, like go like this.
So
and
once
So-
it's a good time to play with it, to start playing with it, is when it starts to clean the bowl. So this is how our slimes are coming out. And mine is still sticky. 'Cause it's still sticky.
I got the color I wanted.
So you have to play with it until you get it right, and then once it's in your hand, you could add shaving contact solution.
I got the color I wanted.
I think mine is a little too white. I think it needs to be one more drop. I need help.
I want to make more slime.
Carlos, can you put some on my hand, please?
What?
Yeah. Thank you.
So explain to them, what are you doing?
So hers is a little bit sticky. So she asked me to put some contact solution.
and once it's like really
On
a good consistency,
like mine.
then you could start clicking it, make bubbles. You can make slime swirls.
Oh, bubble.
See, it's already cleaning my hands a bit. So it's starting to get better. So this is how my slime came out.
My finger is wrapped in slime.
So the contact solution was about $4 that we got at Walmart. The shaving cream was about 89 cents that I got at Walmart. And the glue was about $10, which we also got at Walmart. And the food coloring was about $3 to $4, which we could also get at Walmart. So your budget?
So your budget would be around $20 to $30.
So
That's all you need to make slime.
it's pretty easy.
But you don't need to buy the gallon. You could buy like a little bottle.
Like
That's
5 ounce.
Yeah. We just bought the gallon because we make a lot of slime.
Yeah. So we also want to show you something cool that we found here in the lake on the sand.
I'm gonna put
So
my
come
slime
on.
back. We found deer tracks.
They're all over the place. It seems like they wanted to go and get water.
But there's like a lot of deer tracks.
So they went to go and get water, and then they went back to their house up in the mountains.
The tracks lead here. We're following the tracks.
So if you could see them, they're here.
And the tracks end over here.
And come on. And they're all over
Follow some
here.
of the tracks and they end over here. They end about right here.
They go and get water.
Looks like there's a light in there. See that? Looks like there's a light in there.
And there's our dog.
Oh, Sophia!
We need to take her a shower.
Look! Our very own deer! Our very own deer!
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Bye!
And stay tuned.
Subscribe.
And stay tuned for the next time video.
Make sure to subscribe and like.
And
Bye!
comment where to go next. Bye!